Hello everyone, welcome to JJ Squad. Today I'm getting ready to do the daily routine and I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna go ahead and let them outside the cage. I'm gonna let them roam a little bit while I clean their cage. As you can see, I got the garage door open and I have my screen door, so they won't be able to fly out, but they're still able to get some cool breeze and some circulation going on in here. Let's put this down here because we're gonna do the bird poop first. We're gonna go to the poop tray first. And you can see, you already know what Skittles doing. Once again, puppy packs. I use 2 per cage. Always have my trash can near me. Today is the first day of school, so I'm a little bit thrown off, especially with the time and especially with getting back into the routine of things. But that'll come easy. I ain't stressing too much about that. These are here side pieces of the paw puppy pads are still clean, so I'm gonna use those later. I try to keep whatever is good, that way I'll be saving money. Even though expect to spend money when you have parrots, because they're gonna cost you. Because every food that you buy, half of it's going, well, I wouldn't even say half, but 20% is gonna get wasted. But it keeps them busy, it keeps them foraging, and it keeps them from plucking because they're occupied. So here is Calypso. I guess she didn't really want. I guess she didn't realize that the cage was open. She'll probably walk out. She'll get out there on her own. Oh, she already out. I let her occupy y'all time while I clean up. Right now I'm just going around dumping some of the food that they didn't eat. Sometimes it be some leftover goods, and then sometimes it don't. The majority of the time, there don't really be no leftovers. So I end up throwing most of the stuff away. Look at her, play with my hand. She don't want to let it go. Let me let y'all see her. Oh, she's up now. She loves playing with the food tray. So that's done. giving out the food right now. I'm actually gonna have to pick up some more food later on today. What I tried to do is wait it out because I just established my business account and I wanted this right here, the food to come out of my business account starting this week. But because I don't have the debit card or anything like that, I decided just go ahead and make the purchase. But hopefully within the next 2 more weeks, I'll be able to use my business card and start purchasing things and try to find ways to make money. Even though my business haven't got kicked off yet, they classify me as making 500. So I'll probably end up just want to get on, man. Look at this. I'll probably end up because the bird is not breathing right now, and be mindful, Calypso and Skittles are not bonded. So I'll probably end up just having do probably like pictures with the birds, and probably make like $10 a head, maybe 15. I don't know. It's just something to get to that 500 threshold. But we'll see. I'll come up with some ideas. I know a lot of kids will love taking birds with parrots. But then again, it's that safety concern. You just never know with these birds. They are predictable, especially when it's pertaining to man, I lost my train of thought. Kids. So I don't know. And then it could hurt your business if one of the kids get hurt. But we'll see. All right, y'all. JJ Squad signing out.